Let's make Pad Kra Pao. So just the other day, I was thinking about what recipe should I cook for you guys this week, and I stumbled upon one of Uncle Roger's videos making Thai green curry. Of course, it became a huge subject, and nephew Nick Giovanni jumped on it as well. And while I was watching it, right, I was reminded of another Thai recipe that I absolutely missed, which is the Pad Kra Pao. Pad Kra Pao is another iconic Thai dish. It's a simple stir fry, which is made from either pork, chicken, or beef that's stir fried together with basil. It's so simple that you can whip it up within 10 minutes, and I guarantee you it's packed with flavor. For Pad Kra Pao, you can either use mince, or what I'm doing right now, I'm actually dicing up the chicken. For the sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, fish sauce, sweet soy sauce, a little bit of brown sugar. Give everything a good mix. Add about 1 tablespoon of the sauce to the chicken and mix everything together. So now that we've got our chicken marinating away, I'm going to start plucking our basil, which is going to be our aromatics. So you just want to pluck them off the stem. Capsicum. Remove the whites, turn it upside down, slice. So capsicum isn't traditionally used in a Pad Kra Pao recipe, but I personally love the addition of texture it gives to the entire dish. So it's not just one dimension only, okay? So now we're gonna start preparing our other ingredients. Our garlic, shallots, and chilies. We're gonna grind them. Shallots, garlic, a couple of bird's eye chili. You do not need to pound it into a fine paste. Something as coarse as this is good enough. Now that we've got all our condiments prepped, we're gonna start cooking. Now, before we start cooking the dish itself, I'm going to fry an egg, because Pad Kra Pao and fried egg, they're like a match made in heaven. Once your wok is hot enough, add in your oil. Crack an egg. Toss the excess oil. Here in Asia, when we say fried egg, we actually shallow fry our egg. That's how we get this nice, beautiful crust of crispiness on the edge with a nice runny center yolk. All right, so now that we've got our eggs out of the way, let's dive into our Pad Kra Pao. Paste goes in. Get it nice and aromatic. Now, the chicken goes in. Capsicum in. The rest of your sauce in. Basil in. The dark caramel. Turn off the heat, and this is ready to go. And there you have it, guys. This is our Pad Kra Pao, suitable for a one-person meal with a delicious crispy fried egg on the top. Let's dig in. Yes. Our flavor is so well balanced. We've got that sweet from the palm sugar and the ketchup manis. We've got the saltiness from the fish sauce, richness from the oyster sauce. Everything just comes together. And the fragrance, the aromas from the basil. Delicious. It's so, so good. And because I've added the capsicum in there, right? So you get this nice crunch of freshness from the capsicum. To pack some heat, you've got that bird's eye chili in there. If you want it more spicy, you can add a little bit more bird's eye chili. And you've seen how easy it is to make this dish, guys. So I urge you guys to try this Pad Kra Pao recipe over the weekend for you and your family. And guys, if you've enjoyed this video, do click the like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of what you think of it, all right? I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Ciao. And don't forget the fried egg. It's absolutely crucial in serving up a Pad Kra Pao.